Hey everyone, it's Elaine at Larkin Lane Creations. I thought today I would show you my custom keeper that I had gotten from Shannon Green. You know, she does these marvelous things out of billboard vinyl. So I just ordered a white one. I've ordered many of them, but this is the white one. And I don't know, my plan was to paint it, but then I came across these, they're kind of like a rice paper napkin, I guess. And so this is the finish that I did. And I then put some iridescent finish on it. And I'll show you the products I used in a little bit, but I wanted to show you my custom keeper. So that's the front. And this is the back of it. So I think it's pretty cute. And of course I've, colored the band that goes around it. And then this case right now, I'm just getting started. But this is the inside, the front cover, and then this is the inside of the back cover. So I have just put inside of this one just two composition books. This one I really haven't done anything except primed my papers. I've glued 2 pages together. And in this one now, I keep all kinds of lists and things that I'm working on and just stuff. So I'm kind of a list keeper and to-do keeper and what I got in the works kind of person. So I wanted to show you what the products were. This is the one with the sailboat and the seagulls. And then the other product I got, it has unicorn. And this is actually what it is called. So for you to look for it. I know they also have napkins, and I think they have like little pieces too, like coins or whatever that you can buy in different kinds of decorations. So that's that. And the products that I used, I applied the rice paper napkin with soft gel medium. I thought that was the best. I used it underneath and I used it on top. And this stuff was not as fragile as I thought it was going to be. It's a little tougher, I think, than even a regular kind of napkin. But then what I did is when I finished it and all my layers of the soft gel medium dried, I then used the iridescent medium, just to kind of put a little bit more gloss on it. These were pretty and they were silky, but I don't know, I wanted it to be a little shiny. I might have overdone the shiny, but I liked it. So those are the 2 products I used. So anyway, I know I had reached out to everyone to ask them, what they do with their napkins, and I got a lot of suggestions, so I went with the soft gel medium. So anyway, that's my custom keeper by Shannon Green. So let us see what you do. I'm always curious at what other people come up with. So please like my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and tell Shannon what a great product she has. Bye.